What if I told you that the absolute holy grail of AI image generation just went completely open source? No, seriously. This is not another overhyped release that you'll forget about in a week. Today, we are looking at a model that is so incredibly powerful, it's going to completely change how you build scenes forever. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this model works under the hood, and why its layout system is unlike anything we've ever seen in the open source world. Plus, I'm going to show you how to set it up in ComfyUI to generate mind-blowing, hyper-realistic AI influencers, giving you 100% control over their outfits, poses, and backgrounds. If you get value out of this, all I ask is that you hit that like button. Alright, let's look at the numbers first, because they are absolutely wild. Ideogram 4.0 didn't just climb the leaderboard, it completely destroyed the competition. It is officially the #1 open-weight model on DesignArena, boasting a crazy ELO rating of 1,285 with an average generation time of just under 69 seconds. We're talking about a massive 115-point lead over the previous heavyweights. In terms of raw power, this is honestly the closest an open model has ever come to proprietary giants like ChatGPT Image 2 and Nano Banana 2. In fact, depending on how you prompt it, I'd argue it actually performs even better. So why is everyone choosing this over standard Flux? Instead of typing a wall of text and praying, you literally draw visual boxes to place every object. Like our guitar shredding T-Rex riding a shark here, exactly where you want them. It works by creating a smart digital blueprint of your scene before it even starts painting, which is why it's so incredibly accurate. Best of all, it runs locally on your own GPU in under 2 minutes, and you don't need to write any complicated JSON code because we'll be using a visual tool in ComfyUI that lets us draw the boxes while the system does the heavy lifting. Let's jump into the tutorial and I'll show you exactly how to set up this workflow to create stunning, highly realistic AI influencers step by step. First, let's open ComfyUI and load my Ideogram workflow. You can find the download link in the description below. Go to the ComfyUI manager and then update the app to the latest version. Don't restart the app yet. Make sure to install any missing custom nodes, or if you already have them, please try to update them to the latest version. Then you can restart ComfyUI. Right here is the models group, and you'll find all the download links in the note on the left. This is an FP8 workflow, meaning it runs beautifully on 24 gig VRAM graphics cards like the RTX 3090, 4090, or newer cards. But hey, if you are lucky enough to be running one of NVIDIA's new 50 series Blackwell GPUs, like the 5060 or 5070, you can use the NVFP4 models instead. They use way less VRAM and run insanely fast. Currently, GGUF models are not supported on ComfyUI yet, but I'll update the workflow in the description below as soon as it will be supported for low GPU users. Over in the resolution selector node, you can choose your aspect ratio and image size. Pro tip, keep the image size to 1 megapixel to generate images fast. Once you love the outcome, you can bump it up to 4 megapixels for the final render. Now, since Ideogram 4 is trained to only accept positive prompts in JSON format, this amazing node by Kijai is going to help us build them easily. First, you have the high-level description. This is where you write a descriptive prompt, just like you would for any other AI model. Below that, describe the background, focusing on the environment and visible objects. For the style, this model is incredibly versatile. Under Photo, you can type the camera style like candid smartphone photography, DSLR, or cinematic photo. Next, under Aesthetics, we can describe our AI influencer's makeup, clothing, and body shape. Finally, we have Lighting and the Medium section where you can specify the shot type, like close-up, waist-up, or a full body shot. And check this out, if you're one of our Patreon members, I've included a custom system prompt that you can use on ChatGPT, Grok, or a local LLM. You just describe your general idea or drop in a reference photo, and the LLM will auto-generate all of these text inputs for you. All you have to do next is draw the bounding boxes. Let's guide the model on where to place our character. We'll start by drawing a bounding box for our woman. Next, I'll draw a new box to show the model where to put her iPhone, and I'll even specify her orange nail color here. Finally, we'll add a box showing exactly where her zebra print bag should sit. Now, when we run the workflow, the prompt builder node will auto-generate that JSON positive prompt. You can keep the rest of the sampling nodes as they are, but you can change the steps to 20 instead of 28 to speed up our generation time. You can also change the seed number to get fresh variations every time. Oh, and yes, I've added this extended intermediate sigmas node to bypass the safety filters. This basically makes the model 100% uncensored, so you can generate your content without any annoying blocks. Okay, our image is ready, and wow, just look at this result. The level of realism here is absolutely incredible. The model perfectly captured that candid influencer vibe, from the subtle reflections on the brushed metal elevator walls to the sharp, dramatic makeup. And what really stands out is the hand holding the phone. It's in the exact position we drew in the bounding box, complete with the polished orange nails we instructed. This is the 1 megapixel version, and here is the exact same prompt and seed, but rendered in glorious 4 megapixels. The detail is just stunning. Now let's move on to another example. This time I want to generate a selfie-style candid photo of a young woman inside a luxury, modern Mercedes with an open sunroof. She should be wearing a white t-shirt with the text Oxford and its official logo. Let's build our bounding boxes. We'll place our woman in the center, the sunroof at the top, the steering wheel on the right, and the driver's seat in the background. But this time, we are going to draw a text bounding box instead of an object box, and simply type Oxford. Let's run the workflow right now. As you can see, the model beautifully handles the tricky lighting and perspective from the bright blue sky shining through the open sunroof to the natural shadows inside the cabin. Just look at the crisp texture on her white Oxford t-shirt, the realistic folds in the fabric, and the clear Mercedes-Benz logo on the steering wheel. Little details like the gold watch, the scrunchie on her wrist, and the subtle reflections in her sunglasses make this look completely indistinguishable from a real lifestyle photo. And if you want to see the 4 megapixel version, here it is, absolutely beautiful. Let's make things even cooler. This time we're going to place our woman in the middle, but inside a Toyota Camry, with a police car visible through her window. We'll map out the automatic gear shifter, the driver's seat, and describe the leather color and texture. This is so cool, right? If you want a slightly different look, you can just swap the seed number, generate again to see a new variation, and upscale your favorite to 4 megapixels to get an amazing photo like this. So the formula is simple. You either write your prompt or let an LLM generate it for you and set your bounding boxes. You will get incredibly accurate, highly realistic images every single time. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and I'll see you in the next ComfyUI tutorial.